Hey guys, good evening. Ito PCX 160 guys. 744 pa lang yung tinakbo niya. Kilometers guys, bagong-bago. Kinabitan natin ng ating package A, which is Icon PA Auto Style. Syempre, may ride si Boss Paquezon, so nagpakabit na siya ng ating package A. So demo ko lang guys kung paano ginawa nating quick setup dito. Meron tayong low beam. Ayan, lakas ng low beam oh. Merong high beam. Alright, pass light. So guys, pala yung passing light, nag-avail si Boss ng ating premium LED. Ayan, so no butas, no cut tayo. Alright. So sa may mga gusto, PCX 160, waste nyo lang at an Indotai concept. Okay, meron tayong stock cord. Alright, syempre, loud. Okay, alright, passing light, low beam, passing light, high beam, passing light. Alright. Sa may mga gusto guys, waste nyo lang at an Indotai concept. Number 9, CP Garcia, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Alright. Ganito yung setup ng niya, ADB niya. Napakaangas. Alright. So may mga gusto, package A guys, wish nyo lang dito shop at an Indotai concept number 9, alright?